What you mean by A Daddy?
Sorry, I, I,
Where is you from?
I'm from London. Where you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
Are you in Jamaica right now?
Yeah, I live here.
Oh, you live there?
I'm a millionaire here,
You're a millionaire out there.
Yeah.
Can I get a ten? Can I get a tenner? Can I get $10?
No, millionaire don't give her money. Millionaire, I mean.
Yo. You can't be generous. You're a selfish millionaire.
Yeah. I won't be the first. There's a lot of them out there.
So, what's your name, baby girl?
Brittany. What's your
Brittany.
name?
It's not Brittany. It's
Yeah.
Brittany.
What you saying?
It's not Brittany. It's Brittany.
Yeah, Brittany.
What I'm Brittany.
Hi, chilling.
Oh,
What's up with you?
me. My name's Mal. I'm Mali. I'm Mali.
Oh, I thought this was an artist here, I thought it was Mali.
Yes, it's Mali, baby.
I
It's
do
Mali.
that sing here. I thought it was him. That's why I'm at you too.
So listen up, baby girl. Listen up, baby love. You have a boyfriend?
Yes, his name is Millionaire. His name is Billionaire, and my name is Millionaire. My boyfriend is a billionaire, like real billionaire, real life billionaire in real life. And I am a millionaire, but he's a billionaire.
In the real life.
Yeah, like he got billions of dollars when I got millions. But he's gonna help me to get billion of dollars to be like him. One
You
day
sure?
he tell me he gonna do that for me.
You sure? Is it? Are you sure it's not? It's not Naira. It's not Naira. You have
No, it's $1 billion in US money.
U.S. money, not Naira, not Nigerian
I
pounds.
am a millionaire in US currency, not Jamaican.
Allah
Yes.
you I tell.
Yeah, so if you really bring it back to Jamaica, I would be a Jamaican billionaire.
Allah you I tell.
Yeah.
Mm. Allah you
You
I
like the
tell.
sound of that?
I like the sound of that. You want to be my sugar mama? How old are you?
I am 24. I just
Nah,
turned 24.
Allah you I tell.
No, I just turned 24,
Ah, God damn. All right, cool. When was your birthday?
How old you is?
How old do I look?
24.
I'm 26.
Okay.
Was your birthday yesterday?
Yeah, I just turned 24. I'm a millionaire, remember?
You're a millionaire.
Yeah.
Okay, so spare me some money then, baby girl.
You see, I don't do my hair. Why don't you spare me some money to get my hair done?
You
You
have no
never
hair
thought
to
about
do,
that?
baby love. You have no hair.
Huh?
You have
What
no
you
hair.
mean? Of course I want to look nice too.
So what hair you gonna do then?
You're going to pay for it.
You're a millionaire. You're gonna pay for it. You're gonna pay for my
No,
hair.
millionaire don't spend their own money. You do it for us
I want it
so we
Ross.
could keep the millions.
I want it Ross. See yourself.
Didn't you know that?
I want it Ross. You're too lie, you know. You're too lie. You're too lie. Alright, cool. Listen. If you free it up for me, I'll do your hair. I'll pay for your hair. If you free it up for me.
If I free up you, therefore now. How are you going to send it? PayPal, Zelle, or Cash App?
I'll give you cash after you free it up for me.
I don't got no Cash App because I live in Jamaica. I don't got no Zelle because I live in Jamaica. I got PayPal, but I don't share my personal PayPal because personal PayPal is for my business. So you have to then go down to MoneyGram or via Western Union. So let me know which one you could send.
May I PayPal? May I give you PayPal?
I don't know. I don't share my PayPal like that.
You know what, money?
I don't want it that bad.
Fine then, rich girl.
Remember, I'm a millionaire.
So you're gonna free it up for me then?
No, I'm not.
All right then, baby love. Oh, all right then. Cool. So, listen. That cool. Right. Have you ever been to London?
No, remember, I'm a millionaire, so they're gonna reach out to me eventually. Even if I don't come, they're gonna soon come running. Because I'm a millionaire. So they're gonna come soon.
Who's Brit, guys? Why did you guys know her?
Huh?
Let's do the voice again. No, why did she's using you for streaks? Oh, swear, Brit, you're too
No,
bright.
I'm not.
When I use me for streak, when I use me,
I'm not using you. I'm a millionaire. What would I need to use you for?
god damn, she's famous. Are you famous in Jamaica?
Not really. But I am known in a sense.
What do
But
you do?
some places I go, people don't recognize me.
Same.
So not really it.
All right, what do you do on here? What do you do on here, Brit?
Um, I am a live streamer on here. I come here every day, every night, every evening, every morning time.
Hmm. Are you on the rankings in your country?
Yes, I actually number 4.
Oh, what in Jamaica? When does it reset? Does it reset every day or is it
No,
week?
every week, every
Oh,
Sunday,
okay.
approximately 12 o'clock a.m., it's going to start over to a new ranking.
What time is it over there?
I don't know what time it is, approximately 11:30 to 12 o'clock. If I don't think I am, I forgot what I was going to say. See, 11:28.
Okay. She is famous.
What time is it where you live?
It's 5:28.
Oh, very nice. So what you gonna have for dinner?
Some curry chicken. Thank you,
Oh, I
Daniel.
can't eat curry
Why?
because I got veneers. Remember, I am a millionaire.
Yeah,
I tell
millionaire with a
you.
veneer.
You don't believe me? What you looking at like that?
I'm looking for the. I'm waiting to see the veneers. Where are they?
It's in my mouth. You don't see it?
Damn. Man, I think you need to go back there, Brit. You need to go
I
back
don't
there.
need to go back. What you talking about?
No, just for them to touch it up a bit. There's just a bit. It's good though. It's nice. It's nice.
Yeah, it is nice.
Hmm.
Well, I was eating some food and it chip out, but it not really bothering me now.
Hey, damn. Damn. Yeah, man. No, but your teeth are nice, anyways, man. They're nice.
Yeah, thank you. I'm a millionaire.
You told me before already. You're a millionaire.
Yeah,
Let me see those veneers again. Are you sure they're not stained already?
they not.
They're not stained
Look,
already, no? You sure?
no, they not thing.
Them veneers, fresh as they come, man. As clean as they come.
Thank you. I always take care of my veneer.
Them white like your nails.
That was the mindset.
Yeah. That's what you're going for, yeah? Yeah, me see it, me
Yeah,
see it, me see it, me see it. Me see it.
you're not bad.
They're
Look
not bad.
alright.
Oh, they're not bad. They're not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah. I lie you, I tell. Yes, I'm still here, Nandi. I didn't fix them 3 times. Who's World Dwag? World Dwag? World Dog. Who's World Dog? World Dog.
That's the name of our library here in